Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learning. Today's video will solve 5th and 6th main from preparatory question paper. The main answer the following question, 4 marks question. In the question number 34, prove that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Just see the theorem. Easy method I have given you. Two theorems I'll give you, but I am not going to explain. Two theorems I'll explain in other videos. Our question, prove that if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the side of other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. This is AA criteria theorem. That is also, I'll give you the theorem. Just go through the theorem. I'll explain you this theorem also in another video. I've given the theorem in easy way. Just go through this. Next question, question number 35. A rope from a peg on a level ground is tied tightly to the top of a cone-shaped tent with an angle of elevation 30 degree. The wall of the tent is inclined at an angle 60 degree with the same ground as shown in the figure. If AC is 8 meters, then find the first one, height of tent AB, B, base radius of the tent BC, C, length of the rope AD, D, distance of peg from the wall of the tent DC. For this, first let us consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle C is 60 degree is given. If angle C is 60 degree, opposite of 60 degree we have to find out. If opposite if we want, we have to take sine 60. Sine 60 is what? Sine 60 degree is equals to opposite by hypotenuse is equals to AB by AC. So sine 60 value we know, that is root 3 by 2 is equals to opposite is what? AB. AC is what? 8. If we cross multiply here, AB is equals to root 3 by 2 into 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. So 4 root 3 meter is AB. Next what we want? We want BC. BC is what? Adjacent side. Adjacent side, to find adjacent side, we have to find out cos 60. That is cos 60 from the same triangle. Cos 60 degree is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent is what? Okay, we'll write here cos 60 is what? 1 by 2 is equals to adjacent side is BC. We have to find out hypotenuse again 8. If you cross multiply 2BC is equals to 8. So BC is equals to 8 by 2 is equals to 4 meters. We got second one also. Base radius of the tent is BC. Next we are finding length of rope AD. To find AD, we have to consider ABD triangle, not ACD triangle, because we have to consider always right angle triangle. So C1 I am solving. That is, in triangle ABD, we know AB is 4 root 3. Opposite we got, and angle 30 is given. So hypotenuse we can find using sine. Again sine 30 degree is equals to opposite by hypotenuse is equals to sine 30 value is what? 1 by 2 is equals to opposite is AB, hypotenuse is AD. So 1 by 2 is equals to 4 root 3 by AD. If we cross multiply, AD is equals to 4 to the 8. 8 root 3 meters. So AD also we got. Next last one DC we have to find out. To find DC we can use cos, that is adjacent by hypotenuse, or tan, opposite by adjacent. Any one we can use. Tan will use. The one I am solving now. So tan 30 is equals to opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 value is what? 1 by root 3 is equals to opposite is what? AB by adjacent is BD. 1 by root 3 is equals to AB by 4 root 3 by BD is we have to find out. So if you cross multiply, BD is equals to 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 4 into 3 is equals to 12 meters. Okay, we got BD is 12 meters, but we have to find out CD. To find CD, total it is BD. BD is 12 meters. Then CD is what? CD is BD minus BC. Already BC we have. BC is equals to 4 meters. So BD is 12 minus 4 is equals to 8 meters. Now question number 36. The sum of the first 6 terms of an AP is 90. Fourth term of the progression is 3 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. Find the first term of the progression and write the progression. What we have to find out? A and progression we have to find out. So first what is given we'll write. What is given here? Sum of first 6 terms of AP. First 6 terms of AP, that is S6 is given. S6 is 90. So S6 formula is what? Sn formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. That is 6 minus 1 into d is equals to 90 degree using Sn formula. Now 6 by 2 is 3 into 2a plus 5d is equals to 90. If you take 3 that side, 2a plus 5d is equals to 30. This is equation number 1. Now we will find the equation number 2 by using second sentence. See, fourth term of the progression means A4 is what they said, 3 more than A and A plus D. A and A plus D, first 2 terms. So A4 is what? A plus 3D. A plus 3D is equals to here 2A plus D plus 3. Everything if you bring to LHS, what happens? A minus 2A is minus A plus 3D plus D minus D. If you bring D this side, it becomes minus D is plus 2D plus 2D is equals to 3. This is equation number 2. Now we got pair of linear equation. We'll solve by elimination method to find A and D. So first, what is the first equation? 2A plus 5d is equals to 30. Second equation is what? Minus a plus 2d is equals to 3. Here how we can cancel this? We cannot cancel, so and if you multiply, this is minus 2a plus 4d is equals to 6. Just by adding we can cancel this, that is 2a get cancels. Answer is here 5 plus 4 is 90. 90 is equals to 36. So d is equals to 36 by 9 is 4. Now by substituting in equation 1, 2a plus 5d is equals to 30. 2a plus 5 into 4 is equals to 30. 2a plus 20 is equals to 30. So 2a is equals to 30 minus 20 is equals to 10. So a is equals to 10 by 2 is 5. So a is 5 and d is 4. We have to find the AP. A is 5 and D is 4. So what is the AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So A is what? 5. Here 5 plus 4. 5 plus 2 into 4. 5 plus 3 into 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9 and 13. 12 plus 5 is 17. These are the terms of AP. Next, our question from the same question number. The seventh term of AP is 4 times its second term and the 12th term is 2 more than thrice the fourth term. If the progression contains 30 terms, then find the last 3 terms of the progression. Again here also we'll find the 2 equations. That is, first equation, how we can find 7th term of AP. 7th term is A7. A7 is equals to 4 times its second term. If we solve this, A7 is what? A plus 6D is equals to 4 into A plus D. A plus 6D is equals to 4A plus 4D. If we bring everything to LHS, what happens? A minus 4A is minus 3A. 6D minus 4D is plus 2D is equals to 0. That is equation number 1. Again, second equation, 12th term is 2 more than. So 12th term is A12 is equals to 2 more than thrice the fourth term. Thrice the fourth term means 3 times A4. Again, if we solve this one, A plus 11D is equals to 3 into A plus 3D plus 2. A plus 11D is equals to 3A plus 9D plus 2. Now again, if we bring A and D terms to LHS, what happens? A minus 2A and plus 11D and 9D. Again plus 2D is equals to 2. Here 2D is there. So just if we subtract, we will get, otherwise this is equation number 2. Now we will write these 2 equations. Equation 1 is what? Minus 3A plus 2D is equals to 0. And second equation is minus 2A plus 2d is equals to 2. By subtracting this, so we have to change the sign. If we change the sign, we can eliminate d term. So here it is minus a is equals to minus 2. So a is equals to 2. We got a is 2. Substituting in equation 1 or 2, anyone we can take. Minus 3 into 2 plus 2d is equals to 0. So minus 6 plus 2d is equals to 0. 2d is equals to 6. Therefore, d is equals to 6 by 2 is 3. So we got a is 2 and d is 3. Now what we have to find out? Last 3 terms are which one? 28th, 29th and 30th term, because there are 30 terms. So 28th term if we find, we can find 29th and 30th easily. Otherwise 30th if we find, we can subtract and we can find 28th and 29th. So better we'll find 28th term. 28th term, that is a 28 is equals to a plus 27d. That is a is what? 2 plus 27 into 3 is equals to 83. So next is 29th term is what? A 29 is equals to 83 plus 3. D we have to add for that. It is 86. Then 30th term will be A 30 is equals to 86 plus 3 is equals to 89. Next, question number 37. Find the solution of the given pair of linear equation by graphical method. Simple graph they have given. See, 2x plus y is equals to 6 and x plus y is equals to 5. See, I will give you a hint for this. By elimination method, if you find the answer first, those answers only you can take for the column. That elimination method, no need to show how you have done, how you got the answer, but just for yourself to get the answer, just find out by elimination method. See, 2x, here itself I will show you. Here if we subtract, y get cancels. 2x minus x is x is equals to 1 and y value x plus y is equals to 5 and y is equals to 5 minus x, that is 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. By elimination method you got the answer. After getting the answer, this one no need to write and show, just for yourself you do with pencil. Now you got the answer. This same answer you should get in graph. Make 2 columns. In that, which are the values we have to take now? We know the value, that is x is 1 and y is 4. Answer already we got. That values should be there in the column. So I will take 1 and here also 1. Next, anything you can take, positive or negative. Any number you can take. I'll take 1 to 3, 1 to 3 because all x and y positive values we got. So I'll take only positive values. Now what we'll do? Now first equation I'll write here, that is 2x plus y is equal to 6. In this y is equals to 6 minus 2x. Here second equation is x plus y is equals to 5. Then y is equals to 5 minus x. We are solving for y. Now we'll give the values. If x is equals to 1, then y is what? 6 minus 2 into 1 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. Like this, here also, if x is equals to 1, Y value is what? 5 minus 1 is 4. Again, if x is equals to 2, y value is 6 minus 2 to the 4, so it is 2. If x is equals to 2, y is equals to 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Like this. So x value is, if it is 1, the value is 4. Here 2. Here x is 1, then y is 4. For 2 it is 3. One more value. If x is equals to 3, y is equals to 6 minus 2 3 is a 6 is 0. So 3 is 0. Here if x is equals to 3, y is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2. This is 2. We got the values. So we'll see the graph now. First you have to draw in the middle of the graph sheet. Then mark for 1 centimeter. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. Along y-axis 1, 2, 3, here downwards minus 1. If we want negative values, we have to take more negative values. Now see, for 1 it is 4. For x value 1 and y is 4. Only first column you see. For 2 it is 2. For 3 it is 0. So this is first equation line. So I will draw first line. It should be straight always. From the next table, 1 is 4, again same, 1 is 4. You have to mark that 1 and 4, and this is 2 and 2. This is 3, 0. Second is 2. For 2 it is 3. For 2 x-axis is 2 and 3. 3, and for 3 it is 2. If I join this, it comes like this. So what is the answer? Both where it will join, that is the answer. So x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 4 is the answer. After this, scale also you have to write. Scale along x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Same way, y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. This much should be there in the graph. So like this you will get the graph. See what I have written. Everything should be there to get complete marks. Table plus this graph, both should be there. Next question is from next main, that is 6th main, last main. Answer the following question. It is 5 marks question, or question is also there. So any one question you can solve. Question number 38. A solid is made in the shape of cylinder with a cone attached at one end and a hemisphere at the other end as shown in the figure. All the solids are of the same radius equal to 7 centimeter. The total height of the solid is 61 centimeter and the height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter. Calculate the cost of painting the outer surface of the solid at the rate of 10 per 100 centimeter square. Also find the volume of the solid. Painting outer part completely means total surface area we are finding. So to find total surface area, see the solid, how much it is visible. So those parts we have to consider. See, if we see top, it is CSE of the cone we can see, and cylinder only CSE of the cylinder, and also CSE of the hemisphere. So totally if we add these all CSAs, we will get total surface area of the solid. So first we'll write the formula, that is TSA of solid is equals to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. So is equals to, what is the formula? CSA of the cone is pi RL. CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi RH plus CSA of the hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Here we want R is same for all. H we have to find out, and L we have to find out. See, L is the slant height. For that, what is given? Total height is given. So H is equals to height of the cone is what? Total height is 61. Total height of the cylinder. From 61 we'll subtract height of the cylinder and height of the hemisphere. Height of the hemisphere is nothing but radius of the hemisphere. So 7 and 30, totally 37 we have to subtract. If we subtract 37 from 61, we will get height of the cone, that is 61. So if we subtract, it is 24 centimeter. Height we got. So if we substitute here, L is equals to root of R square plus H square formula is equals to R is 7. So R is equals to 7 is given. So 7 square plus height we got, that is 24 square. Root of 7 square plus 24 square, that is 49 plus 24 square is what? 576 is equals to 625. Root is 25 centimeter. So we got L is 25 centimeter. Now we'll substitute in this. Say before that, what is common? Pi and R is common, we'll take outside. What is remaining? L plus 2H plus 2R is remaining. If we take common, it is easy to solve. So 22 by 7. Okay, I'll take next page. Pi is 22 by 7. Okay, again I'll write the formula. Pi R into L plus 2H plus 2R is equals to, pi value is 22 by 7 into R is 7 into L we got, that is 25 plus 2 into height of the cylinder is 30 is given plus 2 into radius is again 7 is equals to 7 cancels 22. If we multiply 30 and 2, that is 60 plus 14 is equals to, if we solve this, that is 2178 centimeter. Now what they are asking, calculate the cost of painting the outer surface of the solid at the rate of 10 per 100 centimeter square. That means per 100 centimeter square it is 10 rupees. Therefore 2178 centimeter square, how much? If we cross multiply 2178 into 10 by 100 is equals to 0 get cancels. So 217.8 rupees. 217.8 rupees for painting that solid. Also they are asking the volume of the solid. So volume of the solid is equals to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of the hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. So is equals to volume of cone is what? Volume of the cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of cylinder is pi r square. Here for cone I'll write h1, for cylinder I'll write h2 plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here pi is common, r square is common, h1 by 3 plus h2 plus 2 by 3 r. So pi is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. H1 is 24 by 3 plus H2 is 30 plus 2 by 3 into 7. So 7 get cancels. What is remaining? 22 into 7 is 154. I'll write here 154 into, here we'll find the LCM. LCM is 3. 24 plus 30 into 3 is 60 plus 7 to the 14 is equals to 154 into, if we add all this, it is 128 by 3 is equals to, if we solve this one, that is 6570.66 centimeter cube is the answer. From this paper, last question, that is our question from question number 38. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and the radius is 5 cm. The vessel is filled with water up to the brim. That means completely it is filled. When 100 lead shots of same size are dropped in it, 1/4 of the water from the vessel flows out. Find the radius and volume of each lead shot. So small lead balls, radius and volume we have to find out. For that, what we'll do first, h is equals to 8 cm and radius of cone is, radius of the cone I'll consider as capital R. R is equals to 5 cm and small r we have to find out. So what is what they said, 1/4 of the water flows out. 1/4 of the water is nothing but 100 lead balls. So 100 lead shots volume will be equals to 1/4 of volume of cone. Lead shots is a sphere, so sphere volume is what? 4/3 pi r cube is equals to 1/4. Volume of cone is what? 1/3 pi r is capital I mentioned here, so pi r square h. So we'll substitute 100 into 4/3 pi r cube is equals to 1/4 into 1/3 pi, capital R is given, that is 5 square into 8. Now 3 get cancels, pi get cancels, and 4 ones are 4 twos are 2 ones are okay. 4 into 100 is 400. So r cube is equals to, here if we multiply 5 5 is a 25, 25 2 is a 50, 50 by, if we take 400 this side, 50 by 400. So 0 0 cancels, 5 ones are 5 eights are. So r cube is 1 by 8. Then r is cube root of 1 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 2. So volume of the lead shirt is equals to what? 4 by 3 pi r cube is the formula to find the volume. So it is, that is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 11s are, 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2 ones are. What is remaining here? 11 by 21 is equals to 11 by 21 centimeter cube. That is equals to 0.5238 centimeter cube is the answer. So complete preparatory question paper I have solved. So next separately one question, if you want you can subscribe my channel, and thank you.